not a go along to get along candidate, number one. I'm not bought and paid for. I'm not owned. I have no obligations to donors or an establishment hierarchy. I'm truly a servant of the grassroots, the people. And if you believe in our constitutional republic, then I pray if you find me to be qualified for the position that you will vote for me this primary. And MJ, I have to say, if you don't mind, I think the greatest psyop or scam that has ever been perpetuated in American soil is that to convince voters to be helpless,
Mm.
to convince them that it takes money over your vote, power and support from those establishment politicians over your vote. And what I mean to say is this: if enough of us stand united for our values, to protect the innocence of our children, to vote for a candidate that we believe in our heart is the right candidate to do our bidding, to do our will, to protect us, to enforce our constitutional rights, then we will win because we, the people, have the power. We have the vote. It's not about the money, it's us. So think about this. I could run 500 commercials every 5 minutes. But if every single citizen is going out there to vote based off of what they're reading in that ballot pamphlet, based on what they know because they've done their due diligence and research, this is called self-governance,
Exactly.
then I will win because the people chose me. It wasn't bought with money because of commercials and advertising. I hope that makes sense.